Hi everyone. So today I'm going to share my interview experience with Cognizant for UI developer role with React.js skill. So I recently got interviewed with this Cognizant, and I had applied through Naukri. So one consultancy through a consultancy I have applied through Naukri. So I got a one day before night. I got an invite from Cognizant HR by scheduling a telephonic interview. So my interview was like it was around 30 minutes, and the 50% of the time was on JavaScript core questions. So everything based on JavaScript they have asked, and the interview questions which were asked I will be uploading as a separate video. The questions and answers which I gave for the interviews all I have attended, so I will be giving the video in a while. And then the next 10 to 12 minutes was of React.js, Redux, React Context API. So it was like I was prominent in functional components, so I had given everything explanation in that manner only. And they will just check for the lifecycle methods if you are aware of for the class components. Otherwise, if you're fine with functional components, that is well and good. And then 5 minutes discussion on CSS and HTML. So they will just check for the flexbox box model. It was comparatively easier, but if you fail in JavaScript, then it will be a question mark for whether you have got selected or not. So in Cognizant and in most of the interviews, JavaScript questions plays a good role. So we need to be prepared with JavaScript questions for crossing the interview. Next, after 2 weeks, I got the second round interview invite. So it was my interview was taken by an architect, and he have asked me like a real time experience, like what was the latest project which I worked on, what was my role, responsibilities, and just a briefing about our project. And then he didn't ask me anything specific about coding questions on React.js. They hadn't asked me so and so, but they have put some codes from JavaScript in the chat box, and I had to reply it in the chat box itself. So JavaScript questions like hoisting, then functional scoping, based on the practical questions he have asked. Array functions like reduce, filter, those things. Here, just checking about the what we have knowledge on that. So here also JavaScript played a good part. So that was my second round, and it went around 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, and it was done good. And within 3 days, I got the HR discussion call. So in this call, nothing much. The HR just asked for the salary negotiation. So what is our expectation, and if we have the counter offer, they will just ask for the counter offer, and they will provide us. For me, within on the fifth day, I got the offer letter from the Cognizant. So this was my interview experience, and the questions I will be uploading later. So please subscribe for my channel to upload more videos. Thank you.